My name is Olga Sirbu. I'm a board-certified behavior analyst and a licensed behavior analyst. And today we will talk about children on the spectrum who have strong fixations on certain things. Maybe they insist that you wear your hair down, that dad always wear a specific shirt, or that mom must dress a certain way. Today, I want to help you understand why this happens and give you practical, real-world strategies to manage and eventually reduce this behavior. But before we start, as always, I would like to encourage you to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button below so you can benefit from weekly information on the subject of autism. Children with autism often crave predictability and routines. Something as simple as how you wear your hair or the color of your shirt may be a source of comfort and stability for them. When that pattern is broken, it can feel overwhelming and even scary. Those fixations may also be related to sensory preferences. Maybe they like the feel of certain fabric or the way your hair moves when it's down. Understanding that this is not about controlling you, but rather about their need for sameness can help us approach the situation with more patience and the right strategies. So, what do we do? Here are some real strategies you can start using today to help your child let go of those fixations. First, small changes over time. The scientific term, gradual desensitization. Instead of doing big changes all at once, start with small variations. If your child insists on you wearing your hair down, try leaving just a small section tied back first. The next day, tie back a little bit more. Keep progressing until they are comfortable with you having your hair fully up. If they want dad to always wear a blue shirt, introduce a similar one in a different shade. Over time, increase those small changes so they get used to flexibility. Second, offer controlled choices. Children with autism often feel powerless when things change. Instead of forcing a change, give them a sense of control by offering limited choices. For example, instead of saying, "I'm not wearing my hair down," say, "Should I wear a ponytail or a braid today?" If your child wants dad to wear the same shirt every day, say, "Would you like me to wear the red shirt or the green one?" By offering options, your child still feels like they have some control while you introduce variety. Third, use timer. Many children with autism struggle with sudden changes, but if they know when the change will happen, they can prepare mentally. Using a timer or a schedule helps them feel more in control and reduces anxiety. For example, if your child wants you to change your clothes immediately, say, "I will change my clothes after dinner." Let's set a timer, and when it beeps, I will change. If they insist that you wear your hair down, say, "I hear you want me to put my hair down. I will do that at 9 o'clock after I brush my teeth. Let's look at the clock together." By giving them a clear expectation and time frame, you help them feel more secure while teaching them that changes don't have to happen instantly. Fourth, use visual supports. Many children on the spectrum struggle with unexpected changes. You can use visual supports to help prepare them in advance. For example, show a schedule with a picture of you with different hairstyles. Use social stories where you can say something along those lines. Sometimes mommy wears hair up, and that's okay. Practice with dolls or pictures. Show them different outfits and play a game where they're choosing new looks for their characters. Fifth, teach safe words and boundaries. Sometimes when a child becomes overwhelmed or frustrated by a change, they may react physically, pulling on your clothes, grabbing your hair, or even hitting. This isn't because they want to hurt you. It's their way of trying to regain control in a situation that feels unpredictable for them. Our task here is to teach the child to respond to safe words. Use simple and consistent phrases that the child can understand and respond to, such as "Stop, I don't like that." "Hands to yourself." "Gentle hands." Stay calm and firm when saying those words. If they pull on your clothes, gently remove their hands and repeat the phrases. Reinforce the safe words by praising them when they respond appropriately. The sixth suggestion: use songs and visual supports. Children on the spectrum often learn best through repetition and engaging content. A great way to teach personal boundaries is through song and videos. The Boundary Song on YouTube is a fun and interactive way to help children understand personal space and appropriate behavior. You can also use social stories with visuals to show them what is okay and what is not. The seventh suggestion: reinforce flexibility. Reward and praise small wins. When your child tolerates a change, even for a second, praise and reward them immediately. For example, "Wow, you let me wear my hair up today. That's awesome. Let's do something fun." If they let dad wear a different shirt, give positive reinforcement. "You did a great job letting daddy choose his shirt today." Over time, they will learn that being flexible is okay and even rewarding. The next suggestion is set clear expectations and boundaries. While we want to be understanding, we also need to set boundaries. It's okay to say no, but in a way that helps them cope. For example, instead of just saying "No, I won't wear that," try, "I hear that you really want me to wear the blue dress, but today I'm choosing this one. You can pick a dress for me on Saturday." This way, they know their feelings are heard, but also learn to accept that they don't always control what others wear. Suggestion number 9: use replacement behaviors. Give them something else to focus on. If your child fixates on your clothing, redirect their attention to something else they enjoy. For example, give them a sensory object, like a soft toy, if they like a certain fabric. Engage them in a new activity before getting dressed, so they are less focused on what you wear. And the last suggestion: use antecedent strategies, such as prepare your outfit the night before, show it to your child, and inform the child that this is what mom or dad is going to wear tomorrow. By doing this, you will prepare the child for the next day. If your child is struggling with fixations, please know that this is not a reflection of bad behavior. It is not something that will last forever. Be patient. Change do happen overnight, but with small steps, your child will learn that different can be okay and even fun. Thank you for watching. Stay strong, stay patient, and most of all, stay hopeful. Your child is learning every day, and so are you. See you in the next video.